yourself.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yee! This is actually my first ever video. So I'm so excited. Obvious ba? Pasensya na kayo guys kasi first video ko ito. I'm not really comfortable talking in front of the camera. So millennials out there, I need your help. Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ronan, and I'm a reader, I'm a writer, I'm a fantasy fiction enthusiast. So anything that has something to do with fantasy fiction, I'm in. So the reason why I created this channel is because I wanted to talk about books. Everything about books. Books. I love books. I've been reading ever since I can remember. So, but the thing is, most of my friends, they already move on with their lives. So they already have kids, they already have family. So they move on, they're busy. And I'm still here. I know. I'm old. I'm ancient. Oh my gosh. Eto, moisturizer lang yan. How do you moisturize? Okay, anyway. Um, well, since nawala na nga sila, so I can't find anybody to talk about, books. I mean, the books that I've read about fantasy fiction, and most of the people that I've met, they're all younger than me. So yun, kaya I was searching the YouTube channel. I was searching YouTube about reviews and all that stuff, and then I found out that there are actually a community out there about ano booktubing. Booktubing is a thing pala. And I found that there's also a community out there here in the Philippines. So, na-excite ako. Sabi ko, I want to be part of that community. Okay, so since this is actually my first video, every story has a beginning, di ba? So I'll start with mine. Back when I was a kid, a very long time ago, in my province, I was a very imaginative kid. So I daydreamed a lot. And besides, during those days, yung province namin is a very quaint little town. It's actually a stopover town from by travelers going all the way to the far southern part of Mindanao. So talagang dinadaanan lang siya ng mga travelers, yung mga malalaking truck na pagmamayari ng mga big companies para magdadala ng mga goods all the way to Davao, to Sarangani province. So dinadaan lang siya. I'm from Bukidnon, by the way. Valencia City. Well, city na siya now. Dati, maliit lang siya talaga siya na town. So, it's a town na magkakakilala lahat ng mga tao. Parang yung mga families, kasi matagal lang taga doon, so magkakakilala-kilala lang. So, yun, taga doon ako. That's where all it started. Kasi I was so fascinated with people na mahilig magbasa. I have an aunt na yung friend niya, laging may sipit-sipit na pocketbook sa underarms niya. So, talagang napafascinate ako kapag may lagi siyang dalang libro. So, ano bang meron dyan sa libro na yan? So, yun pala, yung hilig kasi niya is pocketbook, yung mga love story, ganyan-ganyan. So, I was really fascinated with books before I started reading. And during those times, guys, walang, of course, this is pre-digital books, no? This is pre-social media, this is pre-cell phones or smartphones or whatever. During those times, if you are a reader, you have to go to a parang bookstore na, di ba dati, VHS, uh, Betamax, nirerentahan mo sa store. So, ganun din sa mga pocketbook. So, pupunta ka dun sa store, rerentahan mo, tapos sasauli mo after a week, babayaran mo, ganyan. So, yun yung mga ginagawa nila. So, I was so really fascinated. Ano bang meron sa book na yan? So, nung nag-start na ako magbasa, pinahiram yung friend ng tita ko, pinahiram niya sa akin yung book. O, ito, basahin mo. So, nababasa ko siya, but I don't understand anything kasi English siya. So, nag-focus ako doon sa textbook. So, nung elementary ko, bago pa matapos yung buong taon, ilang beses ko nang nabasa yung mga books, yung mga textbook, paulit-ulit na lang. And then, here comes high school. I started out with Richie Rich, comics, and then Sweet Valley High. Oh my God. So, nag-start ako doon, Sweet Valley High. And then, yung tita ko from the States, nagpapadala siya ng mga libro. Yung mga nababasa na niya doon, pinapadala niya dito sa Pilipinas sa amin. So, isa ako doon sa mga naghukay. Titingin ko, ay, may books, ganyan. So, I started out, and then, after that, at my very young age, I was able to read Daniel Steele, Sidney Sheldon, Master of the Game. Oh my God. So, one of my favorite books, Master of the Game. So, yun yung mga binabasa ko dati. And then, of course, when I was in high school, I went here in Luzon. Nag-aaral ako sa Santa Rosa. Of course, during those time, 90s na yon. So, yun yung mga ang TV days, kakatapos lang ng That's Entertainment, Gimmick, TGIS. So, I wanna be part of that revolution. Yung mga nagsumusuot ng peace na necklace, naglabasan yung Spice Girls, naglabasan yung Backstreet Boys, yung Boyzone, mga boy band, mga girl band, naglabasan sila. So, it was a very exciting moment in history. Ang saya-saya. It's sa pop culture. So, nakalimutan ko yung pagbabasa. But it's always inside of me na talagang hilig ko talaga yung books. I was really fascinated with books ever since. And then of course, gumraduate ako ng high school. I went to Ateneo. Not here na Ateneo ha. Xavier University in Cagayan de Oro. And then a friend of mine introduced me to Anne Rice. Actually, yung relationship ko with Anne Rice, for me, it's a love affair. With her books, ha? Because her books were amazing. I mean, ang ganda-ganda ng mga books niya. Well, well, during those times kasi, I was mostly outside the campus talking about, Talking about, being irreverent, talking about, the existence of God, sexuality, all those stuff. I have a lot of questions. At sa labas ng chapel with my friends. And I was a psychology major and I was nakipag-argue ako sa mga philosophy major, ganun. And then a friend of mine introduced me na, you know what, you have to read this author, yung books niya. And then one night, I mean, one day, nagising ako and may book dun sa nightstand ko. And then my note, sabi niya, read this. And then it was Anne Rice, Queen of the Dam. Oh my God. Yun yung first na experience ko kay Anne Rice. And then, until now, she is my icon. She is my Madonna. She is my Celine Dion. I mean, I will not pay for a Madonna concert, but I will camp outside the bookstore kung pupunta dito si Anne Rice. Ganon ako ka-obsessed kay Anne Rice. She is the reason why I started, writing my own books. She's like my inspiration. I know that I can't write the way she write her books because nag-iisa lang siya at ang galing-galing niya. Well, I'll talk about Anne Rice some other time. Okay, so guys, this is my first video. I'm sorry, medyo awkward, hindi perfect. This is my room, so dito ko lang siya video with my laptop. I'm using InShot, I think. So I'm not really good with editing yet, but I'm still learning every day. So pasensya na kayo. One step at a time. Oh my goodness. Follow nyo ako or subscribe kayo. We'll see the progress. Sa mga YouTuber out there, I mean sa mga booktuber out there, if you have any suggestion, I need your help. Help me how to make it perfect with my videos, how to make it beautiful or whatever. I'm first timer pa. So, well, anyway, until next time, bye!